Have you ever wondered how self-driving cars work? These marvels of modern technology navigate through traffic, make split-second decisions, and ensure our safety on the roads, or how virtual assistants understand your questions. They can set reminders, play your favorite songs, and even control your smart home devices with just a simple voice command. The answer is artificial intelligence, or AI. This powerful technology mimics human intelligence and processes vast amounts of data to perform tasks that once required human intervention. AI is rapidly changing the world as we know it. From healthcare to finance and from entertainment to education, AI is making its mark in every industry. It's powering everything from the apps we use to the cars we drive. Imagine a world where your smartphone can predict your needs before you even realize them. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Our cities are becoming smarter, our homes more connected, and our lives more convenient. This guide will explore a fascinating area of AI called AI agents. These are specialized programs designed to perform specific tasks autonomously. These intelligent agents are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. They can learn from their environment, adapt to new situations, and provide personalized experiences. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of AI agents and discover how they learn, adapt, and help us solve complex problems. This journey will open your eyes to the endless possibilities that AI brings to our world. Imagine a tiny robot living inside your computer. This robot can perceive its environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve its goals. That's what an AI agent is, a computer program designed to act autonomously. These agents can range from simple rule-based systems to complex algorithms that learn from experience. They are everywhere, from chatbots answering your questions online to recommendation systems suggesting your next favorite movie. AI agents come in different shapes and sizes, each with unique capabilities. From the simplest forms to the most complex systems, AI has evolved significantly over the years. Let's explore some of the main types of AI agents and understand how they function in various scenarios. Reflex agents are the most basic type. These agents react to immediate stimuli in their environment without any memory of past experiences. They follow pre-programmed rules to determine their actions. These rules are often simple if-then statements coded by engineers. Imagine a thermostat adjusting the temperature based on the current reading. It doesn't remember past temperatures. It simply reacts to the current one. Model-based agents, on the other hand, have a more sophisticated approach. These agents have a model of the world and use it to make decisions. They consider past experiences and predict future outcomes to choose the best action. This predictive capability allows them to be more accurate and efficient. Think of a chess-playing AI that anticipates your moves. It doesn't just react, it plans several steps ahead based on its understanding of the game. Goal-based agents take it a step further. These agents have a specific goal in mind and plan their actions to achieve it. They use search algorithms and planning techniques to find the optimal path to their objective. This makes them highly effective in complex tasks. Learning agents are the most advanced type. These agents don't just follow preset rules or models. They learn and adapt over time. They improve their performance by interacting with their environment and receiving feedback. This continuous learning process allows them to become more efficient and effective. This ability to learn from data is what makes AI so powerful. It enables AI systems to handle a wide range of tasks, from simple to highly complex, with increasing proficiency. Let's imagine you want to create an AI agent to play a simple game, like tic-tac-toe. This agent needs to understand the game's rules, evaluate the board's current state, and make the best move to win. You could program the agent with a set of rules for every possible game scenario. However, a more sophisticated approach would involve using a learning algorithm, like reinforcement learning. This type of algorithm allows the agent to learn from its mistakes and improve its strategy over time by playing many games against itself or a human opponent. Step-by-step guide, building your AI agent. Creating your AI agent might seem daunting, but it can be broken down into manageable steps. By following a structured approach, you can simplify the process and make it more manageable. First, what do you want your agent to do? Clearly defining the purpose of your AI agent is crucial. Be specific about its goals and the environment it will operate in. This will help you set clear objectives and boundaries for your project. Next, select the type of AI agent that best suits your problem. There are various types of AI agents, such as rule-based, learning-based, and hybrid agents. Consider the complexity of the task and the resources available. This includes computational power, time, and expertise. Then, if you're using a learning-based agent, you'll need data to train it. Data is the backbone of any learning-based AI system. This could be anything from text and images to sensor readings and user interactions. The quality and quantity of your data will significantly impact your agent's performance. After that, use a programming language and AI libraries to write the code for your agent's behavior and decision-making processes. Popular choices include Python with libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Now, feed your agent the prepared data and allow it to learn patterns, make predictions, and refine its strategies. This training phase is critical for the agent to develop its capabilities. Once trained, test your agent's performance on new, unseen data. This step helps you evaluate how well your agent generalizes to new situations. Measure its accuracy, efficiency, and ability to generalize to different situations. Use performance metrics to identify areas for improvement. Finally, after thorough testing, deploy your agent to its intended environment. This could be a web application, a mobile app, or an embedded system. Continuously monitor its performance and make improvements based on real-world feedback and new data. Regular updates and maintenance are essential to keep your AI agent effective and relevant. Choosing the right tools and libraries. Building AI agents is easier than ever, thanks to a wealth of tools and libraries available. Python is a popular language for AI development, with libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn providing pre-built functions and algorithms for machine learning tasks. Cloud platforms like Google Cloud AI Platform and Amazon SageMaker offer scalable infrastructure and pre-configured environments for training and deploying AI models. Training your AI agent. Learning from data. Training is crucial for learning-based AI agents. It's like teaching a child new skills through practice and feedback. There are different learning paradigms, such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the agent learns from labeled data, where each input is associated with a correct output. Unsupervised learning involves discovering patterns and structures in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning focuses on training agents to make sequences of decisions by rewarding desired behaviors and penalizing undesirable ones. Testing and refining, making your agent smarter. Thorough testing is essential to ensure your AI agent performs as expected. Use a separate dataset from the training data to evaluate its performance on unseen examples. Monitor metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to assess its effectiveness. Iteratively refine your agent's design, parameters, and training data based on the testing results to improve its performance and address any biases or limitations. Real-world applications, AI agents in action. AI agents are already transforming various industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. Personalized recommendations. Streaming services use AI agents to analyze your viewing history and suggest movies and shows you might enjoy. Fraud detection. Financial institutions employ AI agents to detect fraudulent transactions by analyzing spending patterns and identifying anomalies. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots provide instant support, answer questions, and resolve issues, improving customer satisfaction. Healthcare diagnosis. AI agents assist doctors in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images, patient data, and research papers. The future of AI agents, limitless possibilities. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and the future of AI agents is filled with exciting possibilities. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated and computing power increases, we can expect even more intelligent, capable, and autonomous agents. These agents will continue to revolutionize how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Imagine AI agents that can personalize education, optimize energy consumption, or even assist in scientific discovery. The potential is limitless. Conclusion: embracing the AI-powered future. AI agents are no longer a futuristic concept. They are rapidly becoming an integral part of our lives. By understanding the basics of AI agents and the steps involved in their creation, we can unlock their potential to solve complex problems, automate tasks, and improve our daily lives. Embrace the power of AI and explore the exciting world of AI agents. The future is in your hands.